go splashing. Alex Sidwell and Adrian Bradley. Although Alex, he's got so much power under his right foot though, he's got to handle it carefully. And as they relatively gently head up towards the gantry with the red lights on still, they go out any moment now, and loads of balls of spray head towards Copse Corner, through which I can't make out who's where, but I would say that on the inside line, Alex Sidwell has the advantage and therefore has the lead. And anybody who gets the lead in these conditions is going to have a huge benefit because they've got nobody throwing spray in front of them.
Very true indeed. A bunch of headlights and huge rooster tails of water make their way towards me. And it is Sidwell in the lead. Watson's gone straight on. He's on the grass. Oh, and he's clattered into the side of the Holden. He has absolutely nailed the side of the Holden. He's taken the outside of both of the doors off the front of it. Watson just went completely straight on. It's the two similar liveried BMWs at the very front of the field, cars 78 and 47. But there's a lot of debris across the road. There's yellow flags down here. Watson and Sidwell are both in the gravel on the exit of the corner. Marshall's just going over and checking that Sidwell's okay. That's what happened to Rob
Collard at the BTCC race a few years ago.
It was a very, very similar accident. Watson's front, I think the car went completely around. And I'm unsure of which side it was that hit Sidwell's car, but Sidwell took a very, very big hit in the right. Watson's running over just to check that Sidwell's okay. He's just apologising to him. That's really nice of Watson, to be fair. His initial concern was straight away to check that Sidwell was all right. He's even sort of getting Marshall's out of the way just to make sure that he's all right. But that was a huge, huge hit, and hopefully Sidwell is okay.
Safety car is unsurprisingly being used.
Yeah, that was a monstrous hit. There's, like I said, the entire shell, I mean, there's a Marshall taking it away now. The entire shell from the outside of the door has come off, so there's only the internal part of the door, the rear door I must add, on the right hand side of the Holden. Watson's car on the right hand side also very, very badly damaged. But the gravel did its job. The car stopped very quickly once they'd got there.
I see there's a fair bit of debris. I see on the CCTV there's a fair bit of debris on the track as well, isn't there?
Yeah, there's a lot of different parts, all from the front of Watson's car. I think, to be honest, Watson's car had completely gone around. It must have just aquaplaned on the way into Beckett's, and then he sort of chucked it right to try and avoid them, but it's hit Sidwell's car right on the apex, I think with the front left of the car. Yeah, there's Marshall's gesticulating at the front left that it's going to be not very easy to get out, is the way to put it.
Well, Alex Sidwell is out of the car now, isn't he?
I'm just having a look. He is, yeah. Yeah, Sidwell is out of the car. He stood next to it now.